At Heathmere we have an electric fan oven. To use this there are three knobs at the top. You'll find that the one on the left, such as here, this selects either the oven or grill function. Then you have the middle one, which is the timer, and then this one, which is the temperature. So if we were to just want to illuminate the oven, turn it to the light switch, you then have different settings. So this one is for heat from the top and bottom with no fan function. This is from heat with fan function top and bottom. This is fan with heat from the bottom. For example, here you've got here top left is the grill with fan. Now this one is just to select a timer, so you've got 10, 20, 30 minutes up to 100 minutes. And it will just buzz. And then to turn on the oven to whatever temperature you wish, you can got 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, and that's around about maximum. So to turn on, say, the oven with fan, we just select this, you can hear the fan started, and then we can turn this to whatever temperature we wish. Now the light will go off when it is at temperature. When you're finished, just turn them all off to the 12 o'clock position, and please use the oven gloves provided to ensure that you don't burn yourself. Thank you.